last night. So I'm just gonna conserve now.
So,
Yeah,
what'd you bring if you don't have like a charger? Did you bring any like that?
No, I have a charger at the house.
Oh, well, that's not gonna help you here.
No, I know. It's fine.
This guy sucks.
Dude, I just want to grab your gear and stick it in my fucking
He's not
mouth.
prepared.
yeah.
He's underprepared for everything.
I'll tell you one thing.
What?
Even though I have 20%, it'll still be fine probably to do it.
Yeah, because it's a newer phone.
Unless I do like hella videos.
Mine probably has like half the battery yours does now. I have a 12.
Sounds right.
I mean, it works. But
I'm a little
You
pissed.
should upgrade, because I think like you could have upgraded to the 16 for free with a 12.
depends on the plan. I didn't see T-Mobile had any plan
You have
deals
to
like that. It's okay. I'll just run it to the ground and buy a new one.
I'm so glad that nail fell off.
Oh yeah. I mean, I've had the phone for like 5 years and it works just fine, so I don't really.
Yeah, but with the firmware updates, it's gonna drain more battery.
Oh, I don't update.
Huh?
I don't update it.
Yeah, that's the move. You don't update your phone. They
Like,
brick the phone on
unless certain
purpose.
Apps don't work.
Yeah,
Then I have to.
Yeah, they brick the phone, so you have to like buy another one.
Yep.
But now on the Android ones, you have no choice. You can't opt out of it.
Oh, you can't?
Nah.
Damn, that sucks.
Oh, is it the same for iPhones or how is it?
No, you can avoid it. But like certain apps after a while
Well,
won't be
the audit-
supported.
I think for the new ones, you have to. I think for the new ones, even for iPhones, you have to update.
Oh no.
It like does it by itself.
Shit.
Yeah.
I think I'm like one year behind or something.
So what's the energy vortex again? Like,
It's just like a concept of like, you know, all these like red rocks and shit. Or is he talking about like a location? It's just
don't know.
alternative medicine. It's just like bullshit.
Alternative.
Yeah. The energy vortex, it says like you get like supercharged by coming to areas like this.
What is this, like a video game?
I don't know.
That's right,
That's what I'm saying, it's all bullshit.
You
It's just
you
like
meditate in front of like a red rock, and all of a sudden you're like revitalized.
Yeah,
That is some close share.
exactly.
That's what it sounds like. Go through the energy vortex.
Yeah. That's like a save point
Replenish
in.
your HP and mana.
Yeah, no, that's like a save point in Fable
Yeah.
or like The Witcher. This son of a bitch is recording at 1080p for like the first hour, and at 30 frames per second. I don't know why.
It's all right. There's the next hike is the Devlin Bridge one. That one's more exciting.
Yeah, okay. I have extra batteries for this too. I have like 3 batteries.
Ooh,
Yeah.
got this done.
Bonjour, man. Oh no.
How much water does the cactus have?
I think it's more jelly, right?
Like aloe vera.
Yeah. I think the long ones have more water than these. These are like the jelly.
What the hell is this?
ones.
This one.
Oh wow.
This is something else.
You should touch it.
Oh shit, that looks dangerous.
It's not as sharp, but yeah.
Well, I mean, if you fall into it,
Yeah, you're kind of
it's too bad.
fucked. Interesting consistency.
Wow.
Alright. Shit. Oh. Alright, laddie, go ahead. Okay, 코네도 돌면 나 have to beast the char sate.
Well, you, at least you have a thumbnail.
Oh yeah, well, yeah, the Hanum.
If she was squatting down, that'd be even better. Like she was at the top of the notch.
Yeah, Barai Baba June, Daddy June.
Anybody else still thinking about
That was you, honey.
No, you're the one who suggested
Are you
it.
talking about Friday night or right now?
No, that right now.
Wait, what? Friday night.
Technically, she was a female dog.
Oh yeah, she was. Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
This guy
She's more like a gardening tool.
Man, am I
Whoa.
so glad that nail came off.
Did you witness the light kissing when he was there?
I didn't see it.
Oh, you did it?
I didn't even know it happened.
Oh,
This guy was too busy entertaining.
damn.
Yeah, from that other khanum.
You thought after some like grinding and making out, you could have called an Uber back to the place and.
Well, I was hoping, like, you know, like get on the dance floor, do some stuff, and then, you know,
Like,
go
hey,
from
do you
there,
wanna call
but
an
this
Uber?
girl was all over the place, like with all those sorts of guys.
Have you done that before from the club? Just like
No,
or a bar?
no, I don't really
No?
go out too often.
Oh yeah, that's right.
These are like the only times that I really chill.
It entails a lot of luck.
I mean, it's like random number generator.
Yeah.
RNG.
Yeah, it's like RNG, like duck
Tons
race.
of, like, fetishes, and like if you fit that mold, then you're set. That's it.
Well, it's not just that. It's like it's
Yeah,
whatever
depending on mood
the
and
mood.
all that.
It depends on the mood more than anything else.
That too.
Like literally, like a split second later, it's like, oh, I'm not feeling it. One split second after that,
Yep.
like hop on to the
As long as
next.
you keep telling them what they want to hear. You're good.
Yeah.
Good light.
All those coastal shed games are in the beginning stage, though. They should fall off naturally.
What?
All the coastal shed games. It ends up into a steady state.
But even then, sometimes they get bored and they want more.
Well, it goes into a steady state, but they'll always like just fight you for no reason. Like they'll always just constantly just like, you know, throw some bullshit your way when it's that time of the month.
Yep.
And you just gotta be like, shut.
It's gotta be big key on
Yeah, it's gotta be like, yeah, shut up.
Passive.
Yeah, shut up, bitch. Make me a sandwich and don't talk so
I
much.
just wanna- Oh, I keep thinking about his name, too. Whoa, dude, he's got, oh, I saw his butt crack.
Oh, whoa, let's go.
This guy liked it.
He needs to do some hair removal over there.
No shit. We're Middle Eastern. I'm not gonna remove because I'd be like itchy as fuck if I did that.
Are you sure? I don't know if that's what happens.
If you like wax it, and
No,
it comes
Oh.
back all
I
prickly.
use the Nair stuff.
Oh,
I mean,
Nair,
obviously
yeah.
That,
Nair's
that
good.
cream is like not good for you, but it's once in a while, but it does the trick.
Scissors are fine too. Not scissors, I should say, like shavers.
Now that here, when you get it through your asshole, not through, but in and around, gets all the hairs.
Yeah, if a girl was eating my ass, I'd.
Well, no, I mean, you know, you're taking a poop and then there's poop trails that are stuck on your hair.
I mean, you gotta just have.
I don't know if I'd want a girl to eat my ass. I feel like that's kind of gay.
It is, but
It asserts dominance.
EMS, yeah,
What?
yeah.
That's
he
true.
does it to like punish them.
Yeah, it asserts, like if she's sucking your dick and she loves it too much, she'll be, oh shit, this bitch likes it way too much. I'll make her eat my ass.
I don't know.
She hadn't graduated to the other thing yet. I can't say it on YouTube no more because all his audio, like even the past ones, like
Yeah.
he got flagged.
Yeah.
AMS for saying eating ass.
I don't know who that is.
They're one of these like red pill dudes.
Yeah.
I'll just check that.
Ooh.
Cacti my corn. Oh, sorry. I'm walking slow.
Boy. back to where we started.
Oh shit.
Oh shit! Don't die, honey.
God, big rock.
Doug?
Hi there.
Hey, how's it going?
Gone.
Going well. How's it going?
Good, good, great.
Good hike.
Yeah, amazing views.
Thank you.
What do you think, Tyler, between this and Colorado? I didn't ask you. What do you think so far?
It's better than Red Rocks.
Oh, really?
What else? The one we did with me and Jay was a little bit colder. I think that was like near Boulder. I think, I'd say, yeah, this is better than Colorado.
That's fair.
Unless I'm missing something. Well, I mean, what about your experience when we just went to Colorado?
Yeah, this is better. Steven would be enjoying this. Maybe this was the trip for Steve.
Big knee Steve.
Big?
Yeah, him at the clubs or at the bars.
Oh no, he doesn't like that.
Yeah, he doesn't like that.
Really that bad.
Bro, I don't like that shit either.
Experience.
Yeah, I don't know why people do it. I don't know why it's so like common.
Well, you gotta have like a good group, and you gotta, I don't know. It's a little tough.
I mean, even then, like for Cheyenne's birthday, we had a really good group,
Yeah.
and that was like the
You
peak.
can't go in with all tiers unless
No,
No, it was mixed.
50-50,
We had
and
mixed.
And we had a table,
Yeah.
and even then,
Yeah,
it
we
wasn't
had-
like anything special.
Yeah, we had a table. It was 50-50 and
It was nothing special.
Yeah.
And they were like bringing girls and shit for us too.
yeah, they bring these Colombian
saying,
girls.
Like I'm talking about this weekend.
No, I'm saying even like in general, like clubbing and stuff. Like even the peak is kind of overrated. I agree with you.
It's super overrated. It's actually just trash. I'd rather just like not do it.
It depends on your experience.
It's fun to like people watch and shit though, and like like
The one
But it's not
time,
something I do regularly.
yeah, the one time I had fun was like,
It's once in a while.
the one time I had fun was like in New York. We were in that bar.
Oh, Spaniard, yeah.
Yeah. So that Bundy chick, I think she was kind of into me. But she was trying to nag me and like, oh hey, why don't you ask that guy? I'm kind of interested in him. I'm like, want me to ask for you? So I went up to the guy and asked him in a go, hey, would you be interested in that girl? He's like, nah. And then I told her, yeah, no, he's not interested. And then she got hella butthurt. She's like, oh, why couldn't you just tell me that like he had a girlfriend or something? I'm like, well, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, what do you look at me? What do you take me for, a fool? I'm not gonna lie to you.
It's a big deal.
Yeah, like, well, because women can't take rejection.
That's true.
So that's why I go front. Enjoy it better. But that was like a fun social experiment. Like that was entertaining. Seeing the reaction.
Can you ask this guy if he thinks he's doing
Her friend, her Steffi friend, bad cussing. I would. She wanted me to get with her Bundigi friend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You should have honestly or do some casual stuff with that.
No.
Oh wow. I wish we were there during peak standard.
Oh yeah, cause
the girls were fighting over the guy.
yeah, that was
I feel
peak.
like that's not happening anymore. Even like this, it's trying to do the same shit. And everybody just wants to be in their own little groups.
I could see it happening more in New York because of the ratio.
Well, it doesn't make sense because they gotta go somewhere. So like, how does the ratio not stay good somewhere else if they're not going to Spaniard anymore?
Because of dating apps.
So they're not going out at all.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I feel like his standards are much more relaxed about it. Like he doesn't mind if the girls like poke on the other.
Yeah.
As long as it's not like an
He
extreme
likes
number.
chubby chicks.
That too. He's like very flexible.
Yeah. But he said he gets bored easily.
Yeah.
He has he admitted he has a problem.
Oh yeah. No,
He's like, yeah, I think I might have a problem. Like I just get bored easily.
well, that's what happens when you book on like 500 people.
Yeah. When you do it like that many, like hundreds of times, then yeah, you're gonna be like kind of stuck in that mode.
So he thinks he has to like reduce it little by little.
Yeah. That's like weaning off drugs.
The sex addicts group that
Yeah.
he got kicked out in 2 seconds.
Wait. Oh, in the clubhouse?
No, it was a Zoom. He found it on like a online forum. It was like a Zoom call.
Yeah.
And then I got kicked out because they're like everyone needs to like turn on their cameras. That's like one of the rules.
Yeah.
And then
Turn on their cameras?
I said like I don't feel comfortable doing it. I get extreme anxiety and like all this bullshit
Yeah.
when I have my camera on.
Yeah.
And then they're like, please refer back to this. And I said, don't be.
He just said that to him.
Sean had to turn off his camera because he started like crying and laughing. He's like, yeah, that was just so out of character and like unexpected. And I'm like, yeah.
Was it like a free Zoom session or something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You can find these? Like you just search for it?
Yeah.
Huh.
They were more prevalent during COVID, but like, I mean, some of them, they like,
Yeah.
creating networks, so they just keep them.
Ah, I see.
It was pissing me off. Forcing me to turn my camera off.
Yeah, what the hell? Turn your camera on. Fucking bullshit. Anxiety.
Yeah, that's what I said I had.
Yeah, that's like what, especially when your boss says it. Like, yeah, what the hell?
I mean, I just do it anyways. Unless it's like a huge meeting that I'm not like saying much in.
Dude, I don't give a shit. I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah, I don't do it by default.